Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, we will study theorem number 8 and 9. So theorem 8 is angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. We know that a chord divides a circle into two segments. So we have to show that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. Here PQ is a chord inside a circle with center O, dividing this circle into two segments, making angle PAQ and angle PCQ in the same segment, major segment of a circle. We have to prove that these two angles PAQ and PCQ are equal to each other. We will join OP and OQ. Here minor arc PQ subtends angle POQ at the center, as you can see, POQ at the center, and angle PAQ and PCQ at points A and C on the remaining major part of the circle. According to theorem number 7 of circle, angle formed by an arc at the center is double the angle, is twice the angle formed by the same arc at the remaining circumference of the circle. So angle POQ at the center will be equals to twice of angle PAQ. Similarly, angle POQ will be equals to twice of angle PCQ. From equation 1 and 2, LHS is same, so RHS and RHS will be equals to each other. It means twice of angle PAQ will be equals to twice of angle PCQ. 2 and 2 cancelled both the sides. Angle PAQ equals to angle PCQ. These are the two angles you can see in the same segment of a circle, which are proved equal to each other. Next is angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Here PQ is a diameter forming two semicircles. We have to prove that angle PRQ, which is in the semicircle, is a right angle. It means 90 degree. We know that the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at its center is twice the angle formed by the same arc at a point on the remaining part of the circle, according to the theorem. So according to this given figure, angle POQ is the angle formed by the arc PQ at the center, will be twice the angle which is formed by the same arc at the remaining part of the circle. It means angle PRQ. Once again you can see angle POQ will be equals to twice of angle PRQ. Angle formed by an arc at the center is POQ, and angle formed by the arc PQ at the remaining part of the circle is angle PRQ. So angle POQ will be equals to twice of angle PRQ. In the figure you can see POQ is a diameter, means a straight line. So angle POQ will be equals to 180 degree, equals to twice of angle PRQ. 2 removed, as 2 is in multiplication with angle PRQ, will go in the denominator of another side, 180. So angle PRQ equals to 180 degree divided by 2. Angle PRQ equals to 90 degree. So this is the required angle PRQ, which is in the semicircle, inside the semicircle, and is proved 90 degree. Hence we can say that angle in a semicircle is always a right angle. Thank you.